Hello everyone. This will be our 16th video on how to integrate for asset management analysts multi-agent systems with AI to make their job easier.
Hi. Today I'd like to talk about optimizing project management and interdepartmental coordination. We know that, in such a dynamic company, it is crucial that projects are managed effectively and that communication between departments is smooth. Often, lack of synchronization leads to delays, errors, and misunderstandings that affect operational efficiency and profitability. How does the multi-agent system with AI help us in this regard?
The multi-agent system with AI is designed to centralize and automate project management, facilitating coordination between departments. By integrating data from various areas into a common platform, a global view of the status of projects can be obtained, which improves planning, monitoring, and problem resolution in real time. This significantly reduces the manual workload and optimizes the utilization of available resources.
That sounds very useful. Could you detail how that integration is achieved and what specific tools the system uses to coordinate the different departments?
Of course. One of the main advantages is that the system centralizes all relevant information through the reporting and visualization agent. This agent generates interactive dashboards that show the progress of each project, milestones achieved, delays, and any deviations in real time. In addition, the integration is done through APIs that connect project management systems, CMMS, ERP, and other internal systems of the company, ensuring that all information is updated and accessible to all departments. In addition, the system has predictive analytics functionalities, which make it possible to foresee potential problems before they occur and take corrective action in advance. For example, if it is detected that a department is working at a higher capacity than its usual average, additional resources can be allocated to avoid a potential bottleneck.
I understand. So, instead of having fragmented information in different departments, we will have a single point of access to review the status of all projects. How do you facilitate communication between areas, for example, if there is a delay or a problem that requires joint intervention?
The system uses the communication and collaboration agent, which automates the sending of notifications and alerts to the heads of each department. For example, if the system detects a delay in a critical phase of a project, an automatic alert is sent to both the operations and planning teams. In addition, thanks to integration with corporate messaging tools such as Teams or Slack, group chats or discussion forums can be generated where teams can coordinate in real time. This not only speeds up decision-making, but also fosters a culture of collaboration and transparency within the company. The ability to hold instant virtual meetings and share updated documents on the same platform reduces the need for long email chains and unnecessary meetings.
That would allow, if a problem arises, the response to be immediate and coordinated without relying on lengthy meetings or emails that get lost in the daily volume, right?
Exactly. In addition, the system facilitates task assignment and deadline monitoring through predictive algorithms. If it is detected that a certain department is delaying the delivery of a key deliverable, the system not only alerts supervisors, but also suggests possible solutions or resource reallocations to avoid bottlenecks. It can even propose automatic reallocations based on team availability and workload.
It seems to me that this could radically transform the way we manage projects. Do you have any practical examples to guide me on how a cross-departmental project would be coordinated using this system?
Of course. Let's imagine we are developing a new renewable energy installation project that involves engineering, purchasing, and operations. The system centralizes data from all these areas. Engineering updates plans and schedules, purchasing reports on material availability, and operations reports on-site progress. If, for example, the analysis agent detects that the delivery of materials has been delayed, the communication agent sends an immediate alert to the teams involved. This allows a quick meeting to be called, schedules to be adjusted, and tasks to be redistributed, minimizing the impact of the delay. In addition, the system could recommend alternative suppliers, adjust shipping routes, or even temporarily modify the order of tasks to make the best use of available resources.
This really ensures a quick and coordinated response, preventing a problem in one department from translating into an overall project delay. What additional benefits does this integration bring in terms of operational efficiency and decision-making?
By centralizing information and automating communication, the time spent on follow-up meetings and manual data searches is significantly reduced. This frees up resources for strategic tasks and reduces the risk of errors resulting from a lack of up-to-date information. In addition, having real-time dashboards allows management to make informed decisions and adjust strategies proactively.
Perfect. Thank you for the very detailed and practical explanation. I am convinced that this solution will help us to optimize the management of our projects and to improve the coordination within the whole company.
I am confident that, with this integration, we will see a significant transformation in the way you manage and coordinate your projects.
Can you give me the contact of someone to start implementing the process for our company?
Of course you can. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can help to improve facility management.